You open your financial reports, and suddenly everything feels confusing. Numbers everywhere, but no real clarity. So what do most business owners do? They check revenue and stop there. They avoid reports because they feel overwhelming, or they rely completely on someone else to explain it. But here's the truth. You're running a business without fully seeing it. Let's simplify this. First, profit and loss. This tells you how much you earned and how much you spent. Think of it like your business report card. Are you actually making money or just staying busy? Second, cash flow. This is what actually moves in and out of your bank account. Because here's the reality. You can be profitable on paper and still run out of cash. And third, the balance sheet. This shows what you own and what you owe. It's your business snapshot, your financial position at any moment. When you understand these three, your business starts to make sense. Financials aren't complicated. They're just clarity tools. They show you what's working, what's not, and what to do next. You don't need to be a finance expert to understand your business. You just need the right lens. Start looking at your numbers, not with fear, but with curiosity.